So this is the house from the outside. Yung gate. Ito yung garage. See, medyo dirty pa. Meron siyang parang terrace dyan. Yan yung garage. Hanggang dito. Meron parang sink dito sa labas. Medyo hindi pa furnished. Tayo makadaan sa main door, nakalaki. Ito yung dirty kitchen. Medyo malaki rin, hindi pa naayos din. Yeah, wala naman tuloy yung mga bubong. So, this is the main house. May door dito sa labas para for the dirty kitchen. So, mga shelf dyan. This is the toilet. Masyado naayos. Ito yung sala. Most probably, gagawin yung sala to. Ito yung dalawang bedrooms. Ito pa isa. Okay. My God, tinabingi ko. Here, meron pa dito sa labas. It's kinda trash pa, pero pwede mo malinis. Basta tayo ulit. There's a miniature grotto here. There's a grotto. There's a pathway at the side. Going to this pile of junk over here. Gosh, you can burn your things here. Parang sunugan area. Makakapagsunog kayo ng mga basura or something. Yeah. And another thing about this is that we just live the other side. Yeah. Woo.